In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to reset your course progress on Udemy. Whether you're starting a course anew to refresh your understanding or simply want to go over specific lessons, resetting your progress is a handy tool in your learning process. So, let's dive right in. First things first, open up your web browser and head over to the Udemy website. If you aren't logged in already, go ahead and log into your account. Make sure to enter your credentials correctly, as this is essential for accessing your personal learning space. Once you're logged in, navigate to the My Learning section. This is your personal hub where all the courses you've enrolled in are neatly displayed. Scroll through until you find the course you want to reset. Clicking on that course will open it and take you into the course's main page. Now, let's open up the course player. When you do, make sure the course content sidebar is visible on the right side of your screen. This sidebar is essential, as it contains the list of all the lectures and allows us to manage the progress for each one. The next step is to locate the checkmark boxes next to each lecture title. These boxes might seem small, but they're mighty. They indicate which lectures you've completed. You're going to want to focus on these, as unchecking them is key to resetting your progress. Go ahead and click on any checked box you wish to reset. Doing this will unmark that specific lecture as complete. You'll notice that once a box is unchecked, it becomes blank, indicating that the lecture is now marked as incomplete. As you do this, you'll also see your overall course progress percentage adjust in real time. This gives you immediate feedback on how your reset actions are impacting your course progression. Should you wish to reset your progress for multiple lectures, simply repeat the process for each one. Go down the list, uncheck each lecture you've completed, and one by one, watch them reset. This method allows for great flexibility. You can choose to reset the entire course or just sections that you feel need revisiting. Take your time and make sure to align this process with your learning goals. Congratulations! You now know how to reset your course progress on Udemy. This simple yet effective tool ensures that you have control over your learning journey. However, do note that once you've unchecked these boxes, you'll need to redo these lessons if you want to mark them as complete again in the future. With this newly acquired skill, feel free to start afresh and enhance your learning experience at your own pace.